Hey, if you want me. Oh my god, this is so scary. Hit me. Put it back. I am not going to take it. Just put it back. Put it back. Yes.
You know it recently died.
How did it die?
Its feathers are flying.
Recently died, and you can tell because it still has meat and the sun burnt it. Oh, it does look burning. I guess we shouldn't even like record. I got to watch this, Jack. I get home. Wait, what? Wait, where?
Oh my god! This is an animal going. What's up there? This is an animal! She's dead? What's she doing?
Is this your baby?
There's another one over there! Save it! Save it! Why is it dead? There's like so many nests over here. I don't like this tree.
It's a dead tree.
No, it's fucking wet in the tree branch. Wait a minute, does that mean the babies are dead? The baby bird's right there. Look, there's a baby one.
Down here. There's another one.
If it's alive, go grab it. You don't want to let them die. They're already dead. This is horrible.
What's
Why
going
would you take
on?
the picture? Baby birds and dead bird mamas.
I know.
Follow me, so. Are all the babies dead? You're horrible. I feel like they are. They worked so hard just to give birth to Ed. Terrible dead. Moms look like perfect. Look at the dead.
Hannah
And then the baby's like.
Yeah.
I think you should get it out of the tree.
Do I use a broom or climb?
Oh, you get a broom or a claw. I got it! Here.
That won't reach.
Well, if you want to try it, go ahead.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mario. Can I pick up your glasses? I'm sorry. Don't do it!
Oh my god!
I can't reach it. I'm too small. Guys, come over here.
Dead birds in the
You're dead
birds in the trash can?
Who are doing it?
Okay, right there, there's a lot of little
It's
worms.
getting eaten by an
I'm out of here. I'm too mad.
It's disgusting. I've seen this before.
Really?
Yeah, on YouTube.
I hope a bird doesn't fall into the lobby.
Holy.
Yeah.
Okay, put it in the trash. There's another
Good one?
There's another one. You guys throw that one away.
Oh
That one just died. How? Did it like hit a ceiling? What if it came back to life? I'd be like, run! What do you want?
My name.
Oh my God! I'm throwing it away. Shake it like that. You're like, No, that's normal. Yes, it is. How do you think we turn our heads? Yeah, but when we're dead, yeah.
There's like 1, 2, 3. There's 3 adults and 1 baby dead.
This is the trash can of dead birds now. Welcome to the trash can of dead birds.
Why would you take a picture?
There's a population.
Wait, where are we gonna put where are we gonna put the videos of all?
Oh, dude,
On YouTube, duh.
really bad.
Oh my god, there's a big fly on your Stella, just get this bird alive already! Bring them alive!
I'm happy to know you. That tree, I don't want to water that tree. I think that tree's alive. That's just
These birds are really cute. This is so disgusting ever. I'm gonna put this bird up there and then put dirt in the trash. If it's still alive, that is.
Guys, come up here and stand. You see 3 dead birds.
Wait, what? 3 dead birds? You got to be joking. Wait, where? Oh, there's one up there. One other one. Oh. 1, 2. I don't even see the third one.
That's a huge butterfly.
Oh yeah, 3 over there. 3
What's
over.
killing them? An eagle? And why are they dropping them off at our tree? It's like perfect for little kids.
Oh my god, we're so long! When you're done with the video, send it to me. Okay, I'm going to start operating. Dead birds alive. It's not even alive, it's dead. It's the circle of life of death, the reason.
There's 3 birds hanging from that tree, and they're
3 little birdies hanging from the tree. Hey, dude, there's a bird going around. Oh my god, there's a bird on a ladder. A photo of it.
What?
Hey, there's a bird disease going around.
Come on, take the picture. Plus, I know you missed it.
Bird disease going around. Bird disease.
This thing is gonna fall.
Hold on.
It's gonna fall.
Just poke on. Someone needs to poke on this one.
Fall.
That's a lot of spider web.
Put that away. Put that away.
Stop. Sorry, I just hate birds when they're dead.
I didn't say throw that. I said go put it away.
Sorry. I used to like birds begin to die. I hate it.
Don't ask me.
Ugh. And this tree's like a bird killer. Sorry. Oh, what a cute couple.
You have that on video? That is great.
No,
You were taking it for like 20 seconds. I got scared.
what a cute couple.
She fell into him. You should have saw it.
Okay, that should be enough dead birds already.